I'm Soumya from BTech final year from Hasvita College of Engineering and Technology. I'm explaining about the autonomous landmine detector. This landmine detector is its main aim is to detect the landmine. Landmines are nothing but the bombs which are buried in the earth. So that the landmine can be detected by using this landmine detectors. There are 40 to 120 millions of landmines all over the world, and approximately 10,000 members are injured or killed due to this landmines. So to stop this disaster, we are developing a autonomous landmine detector. We doesn't need any driver to drive this. We have only a robot which drives the this vehicle, and there is a microcontroller which will give the signals to the vehicle, and whenever any metal is detected, it will give a buzzer, and the landmine and the vehicles will be stopped. And there are different parts in this autonomous landmine detector. Microcontroller will control all the various parts, and whenever a landmine is detected, the buzzer will be given, and we can deactivate the landmine by using this. And this is mainly used in the army areas, and we use 12 volts of battery in this landmine detector. And there is a comparator and the 8-pin IC and also a 4-pin IC. There are voltage regulators and various parts to control the overall system, and there are DC motors which are connected to the comparator, so that whenever the landmine is detected, we can stop the vehicle. And there are also two IR sensors. Whenever it senses any obstacles, it will automatically reverse the direction. And example, if we have any vehicle in front of this system, so it will automatically sense the vehicle and reverse its direction.